Hello to all wonderful children out there and welcome to 21st episode, also the last episode of the series ABC, A Better Change for a Better Life, presented by Story Labs. Let's get into story. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Tina. Tina went to school and she came back home very sad. And when her dad inquired, she said, "Dad, I couldn't score good marks in these exams and I'm very sad about it." Even Dad consoling her for a longer time, she kept on crying and crying and crying. The next day, Tina would again go back to school. On the second day, all the children will be playing in the playground. Tina would fall down accidentally and she will be hurt. But looking at this, all the other children will start to laugh at Tina because she has fell down. Tina will feel very bad about it. She'll go back home and she'll again start to cry and cry and cry. Her dad will inquire and he will again console her. But no use, right? Tina is still crying and crying and crying. Third day, she will again go back to her school. And on third day, all the children will be having their lunch. And during the lunch time, Tina also would offer her sandwich to everybody around. And one other child in the group would say, "Tina, this sandwich is tasting really bad. I don't want to taste this." Listening to that, Tina is again hurt. Even on the third day, she would go back home very sad and she would start to cry and cry and cry. What would she do? Cry and cry and cry. Right? And even third day, Dad would think of consoling her. But then he will think, every day I am consoling her, but she is not understanding it. Let me teach her a lesson. So Tina's dad will ask her to bring one potato, one egg and some tea leaves. And he will ask her to boil all three of them in separate utensils for 10 minutes. Tina will not understand what her dad is trying to do. But then she will think, maybe he's trying to make me understand something, and she would go and do however the dad told her. After 10 minutes, Dad will ask her to observe the egg. When she observes the egg, what has happened to egg? Egg has become harder after boiling for 10 minutes, right? And now when she goes and touches the potato has become very soft. And now when she looks at the tea leaves, they have completely changed the color and taste of the water. Now the dad would come to Tina and say, "See, all of them have been exposed to same temperature and same amount of time, is it? We have boiled all three of them for 10 minutes. But the way they reacted is different. The eggs turned hard, the potatoes turned soft, and the tea leaves have changed the color and the taste of the water." It is same with our life too. There would be many situations that we come across each day. The way how we react is always our choice. If you want to be a potato, you can always be that. If you want to be an egg, you can always be that. If you want to be the tea leaves, you can also do that. You can always change the environment with beauty and happiness. When adversity knocks. Now, what is adversity? Adversity means an unpleasant situation or a problematic situation. This can be a new phrase to many of you, right? But an unpleasant situation is called adversity. When there is such situation, what do we all do? Most of us will become angry, right? And we always express our anger with lot of harsh words and harsh behavior. But something that all of us should realize is it can also be expressed in a smarter way, in a better way, and in a pleasant way. You or we can always choose what we want to be. We can be an egg, we can be a potato, also we can be the tea leaves which changed the color and the taste of water. Likewise, we can also change the situation by reacting with a pleasant mood. Hope you all enjoyed the series ABC, A Better Change for a Better Life. We will soon meet you with another amazing series. Until then, please take care and stay tuned to Story Labs for many updates from us. Thank you so much for encouraging and supporting.